How to view locked chats on WhatsApp. First, just open up your WhatsApp. So after you open your WhatsApp, you can simply lock your chats. Tap on the chat, tap on the name of the chat, and scroll down, and there you will see an option that says lock chat. So just toggle that on. Now you might need to use your Face ID or your secret code. So just type that in. And after you do that, you are basically all good to go. So now, after you've locked your chat and you want to see it, now you will get something like this on your initial WhatsApp page. What you can do is just scroll down a bit and you will see your lock chats option pop up. Tap on it, use your Face ID or secret code, and there you can see lock chats right there. Now you can unlock them by simply tapping on that more section and tap on unlock chat. And that basically you can now view your locked chats on your WhatsApp, and it's that simple, guys. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.